Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin Zapsu, and this month we're teaching you a very helpful phrase. It's got help in the phrase. Can you help me with this? All right? 可以帮我一下吗？
做的人爱听数一下
你干嘛？你拿这个给我，请我喝吗？
不是啦，打不开啦，帮
我。Alice just handed me a bottle, and I thought she wanted to treat me to a bottle of drink, but no, she's asking me for help. 可以帮你打开 That's right. I just helped Alice open up a bottle right here. And a lot of times people around us will ask a little favor like that, right? So let's teach you how to say that, okay? In Hakka for this edition, okay? 今天就跟帮忙很简单的东西。
对啊，比方说帮我打开。
对，罐头要打开啦，或者是这个瓶子要打开啦，对不对？类似这样子的状况。尤其我觉得最难打开是那种密封式的那种罐头。对，真空罐头那真的有时候很难打开。A lot of times it's hard to open up a vacuum-packed can, right? Okay, so how to say can? 罐头。
罐头。
罐头 ，OK， 罐头 that's a can, all right? 那要打开怎么说呢？
打开。
打开 open anything, all right?
那海陆腔打开。
打开要打它了
才会开。
That's a different dialect. Sounds like hitting something, but it's a different dialect for opening, okay? 然后呢 when you're looking at a can, you know, maybe that's the first thing you should check up first, all right? The due date, all right? 过期怎么说？
过期。
过期要好像过去哪里，但是已经过期了 Okay, that means it's overdue. It's past the due date. All right, let's make a phrase out of this. 这个罐头打不开 I can't open this can. All right, how do you say that?
压榨罐头。
压榨罐头。
打唔开。
打唔开 OK 打开是打开可是打唔开
打不开
cannot open all right and the whole phrase
压榨罐头打唔开
压榨罐头 that means this can 打唔开 cannot open let's review all these phrases 罐头 a can
罐头
罐头 and then opening 打开
打开
打开 and finally overdue 过期
过期
过期 and it's all about asking people for favors can you help me with something 可以帮我一下吗？
做得老矮，天数一下么？
做得啦，做得老矮，天数一下么 Again, it's all about asking how to say, can you help me with this? 可以帮我一下吗？
做得老矮，天数一下么？
做得老矮，天数一下么 Very practical phrase. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只说张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.